Hello everybody, and this is my presentation on the modality and redundancy principle. The modality principle states that words as speech are better than on-screen text. So as a teacher in a science class, I would explain this graphic picture by describing to the students the differences in DNA and RNA. DNA is deoxyribonucleic acid. It is a double helix. It contains the nitrogenous bases cytosine, guanine, adenine, and thymine. RNA is ribonucleic acid. It contains cytosine, guanine, adenine, and uracil. It is a single structure, while DNA is a double helix. The modality non-example would put all of the information that I described to the students on the screen in text, and I, in turn, would not explain it, or I could explain it. And the problem with that is the students would either not pay attention to me verbally and look at the text, or pay attention to me and not watch the text, which is kind of pointless. Okay, the redundancy example. The redundancy principle states that learners learn better with animation and narration. So this is an example. This is an example of the DNA replication, transcription, and translation process. DNA is replicated, which just means duplicated on itself. Transcription is how DNA becomes RNA. And then translation is how RNA becomes proteins. So there's no words on the screen. The students will listen to the video or listen to me describe it, pre-recorded or even in class. And that's the redundancy example. The redundancy non-example would have essentially what the graphic is trying to show in words. DNA gets replicated. Replication occurs in the cell. The DNA transcribes into RNA. RNA is then translated into proteins. So essentially it says the same thing, but the students wouldn't focus on the graphic, and that would take away from the presentation.